weather and emergency situations. The alert tones which were just broadcast will automatically activate special receivers to alert you of impending hazards. Today's test is being conducted for severe weather preparedness week. However, this test is normally conducted every Wednesday around 11 a.m. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the alert tones will only be activated for the following counties in the KTO 89 listening area: in Missouri, St. Louis, Franklin, Jefferson, Lincoln, St. Charles, Warren, and the city of St. Louis. In Illinois, Madison, Monroe, and St. Clair. If your receiver was tone activated, the alert function will automatically reset after the test. This concludes our test for this week, and we will now resume normal programming. Thank you.
Here's the end of the test, but
This message is for test purposes only. The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued this as a test message. Tornado warning for all counties in Missouri. This is a test message. Until 10:15 a.m. This is a test message. This test tornado warning is for the annual Missouri Severe Weather Drill. There is no severe weather occurring. Expected hazards include test tornado. Source, test, radar, storm spotters, or law enforcement. Impact, test. Tornadoes can destroy buildings, mobile homes, and roll vehicles. Flying debris is the biggest killer. This is a test message. Locations impacted include all communities in Missouri. This is a test tornado warning. There is no severe weather occurring. Take this time to review and practice your severe weather planning. Now is the time to prepare for severe weather. This message is for
I am so glad that was not a triple header, you guys.
Speech cap stop recording button.
And no, I'm not done with this video yet. I got a couple of things to say, and also another alert. The Kansas statewide tornado drill is going to be in this video as well. Also, something I forgot to mention in the last video, I'm doing this thing called a tornado drill tour, where I will be filming different tornado drills. Like, for example, that was Missouri's. I was actually trying to get Illinois', which was more funny. I swear, if Illinois activates, then that's going to be EAS number 4. But, yeah. But then after that, I will be getting South Carolina's drill, rather, on March 10th. I will not be able to get Kentucky's and probably North Carolina's on March 3rd, which is tomorrow, because I'll be at school. March 10th will be North Carolina's drill, as well as a required weekly test, which I may get, may not get, I don't know. Then March 16th is my home state, Indiana's tornado drill. Then March 24th is going to be a very packed day. We have Ohio's drill at 9:50. Iowa's drill at like noon, 11 their time. And Michigan's drill at 1 o'clock. Something I forgot to mention, actually. The required monthly test is going to be on the 18th. I'm going to try to get that. I should get Kentucky's test, but I can't because it's at 3:50 a.m. Then, assuming all goes right, I believe April 12th is Wisconsin's tornado drill. I'll need to check that calendar and I'll let you guys know on the 10th. When I actually film South Carolina, I keep messing that up, drill. I keep messing that up, but South Carolina's drill is that day. So I'll let you guys know then. And if you guys have any recommendations of where I should stand outside for the drill, let me know. According to Caleb, my friend, he said they were going to test twice, so I don't know. And I don't know where I'm going to record for that. So I asked him if you have any ideas of where I should record that on the 16th, like where I should stand to record it, because I'm going to bring a radio, and I'm also going to have the siren. So, if you have any ideas of where to record that, let me know in the comments, because I'm still looking for ideas. Also, something I should mention as well, the Black Sword video that I said I was going to do on Saturday, when I posted that video, is going to be delayed due to this tornado drill tour. It could be until late April at the earliest, or latest by the time I do it, because they should be done with tornado drills by then. So, we'll just have to see what comes up. Something else, if you guys are wondering why my phone just keeps saying start and stop recording when I start recording, that is because I am using VoiceOver. Alright. I'm not going to film this next part, so you're going to hear the sound mute for a second. But, yeah, like I was saying, I'm going to run down that schedule again. March 10th is South Carolina's and also a required weekly test. By the way, my school's fire drill is on March 9th. Probably will not record that. March 10th is South Carolina's drill weekly test as well. March 16th is our Indiana's tornado drill. 17th, school's tornado drill. My school's. I'm not going to record that. The 23rd, I do not believe anything's happening. 24th is a very action-packed day. We have Michigan at 1 o'clock, Ohio at 9:50 a.m., Michigan at 1 o'clock p.m., and Iowa around noon my time. I believe on April 7th that maybe Minnesota's or South Dakota's. I really need to check that calendar again. Then on the 12th, I'm pretty sure that's Wisconsin's drill, so if you have any information on that, please let me know, because I have absolutely no idea. And I'm also experiencing some technical difficulties with my scanner radio app, so please bear with me with some of those. Speaking of which, I want to give a shout out to Broadcastify. If they did not put up that scanner radio app, I would not have been recording this video. Now all we're waiting for is the Kansas drill. Yeah, I did not ever get Quad Cities either. This is EAS number 2 and 3, but really, the Great Bend one, which you're about to see actually, so let's see. Actually, I take that back. You're not going to see the Kansas one because my recorder just glitched on me, but yeah, that's basically it. EAS numbers 2 and 3. That was not what I expected it to do. So sorry about that. But anyways, that's pretty much the end of the video. It was just like the end of the EAS, the Kansas one. I only caught it, like, so that wouldn't have counted anyway. And a clip from it, which really was just an experience. But what an experience with the Missouri drill, too. I was actually trying to get Illinois, funny enough, but that was Missouri, so yeah, that's basically the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on March 10th.
Stop recording.